Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. 10 Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much.
He's Mr. White Christmas, he's Mr. Snow. He's Mr. Icicle, he's Mr. 10 Below.
Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch.
He's too much.
I never wanna see a day that's over 40 degrees. I'd rather have it 30, 20, 10, 5 and let it freeze.
He's Mr. White Christmas, he's Mr. Snow.
That's right.
He's Mr. Icicle, he's Mr. 10 Below.
Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much.
Yes, enough.
No more. No. Yes, you're gonna bite him.
I'm Mr. Green Christmas, I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Mister, I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
Take down.
Mr. Green Christmas, he's Mr. Sun. He's Mr. Heat Mister.
I'm done with it. Can we go to the beach now? This sucks.
They call me Heat
Daddy, we should have moved to
Miser.
Florida.
Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch.
He's too much.
I never wanna see a day that's under 60 degrees. I'd rather have it 80, 90, 100 degrees. Oh, some like it hot, but I like it really hot.
He's Mr. Green Christmas. He's Mr. Sun.
Sing it.
He's Mr. Heat Mister. He's Mr. 101.
They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much.
Oh. Just see. Go. I said go. Go. What is all this? What is it? Snow? I swear to God, you knocked his ass over. No! No!
I got myself into.
Kelly! Get out of here. Jump in this fucking fence right now. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
You're thinking of Snow, Buckethead.
He's... That's great. Gonna raptors. What is Daddy gonna do?
Ready?
Don't do it hard. Oh, Daddy! Oh no, that was mean. That was mean. That was just mean. Shake his head off. Shake his head off. He's got snow all down his neck. Oh, Bubba.
Well, that sucked. Pretty much.
The dog was like, whoa.
He doesn't like it. He wants to be in Florida. No.
All done. No. Oh.
Sorry,
Now you done it, Daddy. All done, Connor. It's all done.
all right.
This dog. What? What? Oh. Then you have this freaking wolf.
All right, what do I do now?
Jessie! You dare, I'll beat you. Just watch him, Kelly. I don't trust her. She's very, very much.
Let's take a plop him in. We'll take a picture and be done.
Like a picture.